How to fix CapCut templates not showing on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you have to make sure you have updated your both the apps CapCut and TikTok. For that, head towards the Play Store or App Store. Now search for TikTok firstly and check it out whether you have updated your TikTok to its latest version or not. If you find the option of update over here, tap on it and update your TikTok to its latest version. As mine TikTok is up to date, it is showing the option of open. After you update your TikTok, now search for CapCut. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. In the case you find the option of update, tap on it and update your CapCut to its latest version. But you can see that mine is up to date, so it is showing the option of open. Now after you update both of the apps, you can close your App Store or Play Store and now open your CapCut. Here we go. After you open CapCut, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom you can find this option of template. Tap on it. Now from here you will find lots of options of templates. From here you can use any of them if you cannot find in the TikTok. So you can just choose it. You just have to tap on it. And at the bottom right corner you can find the option of use template. You can tap on it and your gallery will open up, and from here you can easily select the pictures or videos required for the template and you can just create a video. This is how you can fix this problem. Or in the case you want to use template directly from the TikTok, then head towards the app TikTok, open it. Now definitely you will be able to use templates from TikTok. At the top right corner you can find that search icon, just tap on it. Now over here at the search bar you have to type in CapCut Templates, and now you will find videos using CapCut Templates. You just have to tap on the video. You will find the option of CapCut write this template. Tap on it. Tap on this option use template in CapCut, and now you will land to your gallery. Your gallery will open up, and from here you can easily select the videos required for the template to create a video. This is how you can easily fix CapCut templates not showing on TikTok. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.